Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I wanted to introduce you to our May calendar quilt. We have been working on the calendar quilts for 2022 with Robert Kaufman, and each month we have been making one of their quilts. This month our quilt for May is called Soundwave, and I am really excited about this quilt. If you've watched any videos with Kathleen and I, you know that I am a black and white person. I'm a black and gray. I like the black and yellows, and this quilt just fits my personality. So, taking a look at our quilt, we are going to be using Kona white. Unfortunately, we are out of Kona iron for right now. It is on order, and that will be in the studio soon, but it does use a 1/4 yard of iron. It also uses titanium, graphite, Gotham gray, which is probably one of my favorites, pepper, and black. Again, the name of our quilt is Soundwave. We'll be doing tips and tricks along the way. I'm going to start cutting this fabric later today, and I'll come back and show you some of the cuts, and we'll get started on this video. If you like, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and see all of our upcoming videos or any of our videos from the past. We are also on Facebook and Instagram. We'll have kits listed for this in the studio so that you can purchase one and follow along and sew with us. Our website is www.socharmingquilts.com. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you join me in making this quilt Soundwave. Have a great day.